Solar roars. Welcome back to your safe place, where you can be the best version of yourself while being vulnerable to me.
In today's episode, Solar is going to be discussing some tips with you, which you can use to make first impression better, and to find your true one. If you are watching this episode to just waste the time of a woman, or just trying to have fun, then this episode is not for you. It is only for those men, who claim to be the real men, who can actually win a woman over and then marry her, 'cause that is what real men do. Real men like a woman, then they propose, and get married. This episode is for those real men who want to make their first impression the best impression. Let's dive into it. Step number 1, confidence. Confidence is attractive. It is the best thing a man can carry. A man is judged by his confidence. If you have confidence and you are not that much good looking, you still can impress. Confidence is the key. Confidence is what makes a man be a man. Work on building your self-confidence through self-improvement and positive thinking. There should be confidence in your voice, your body language, and your way of handling situations. Build and improve your confidence by practicing in front of the mirror. You are maybe thinking right now that you have no confidence at all. Well, as the saying goes, fake it till you make it, so you got to work on yourself. Confidence is key. Step number 2, communication. Listen actively and communicate clearly. Experience tells that women are more interested in those men who listens to them, actively, being a part of the conversation, and just listening to her, not giving any advice or solutions unless she asks for or at the end of the conversation, when she is done speaking, then tell her. That is attractive when a man listens to a woman even if she is speaking silly or random conversation. Pay attention to your body language as well, as it can convey confidence and interest. Step number 3, be yourself. Authenticity is key. Be genuine and honest in your interactions. Being fake, and trying to be someone that you are not, is the easiest way to lose her, or lose her interest in you. You should not be fake. Be yourself, love yourself. You change or improve yourself for good, but you should not fake who you are. Faking confidence is a different thing, but faking your likes, dislikes, your lifestyle, that is a lie to her and to yourself. Be authentic, real, honest and truthful. A man who got nothing to hide and is honest, that is a green flag. Step number 4, dress well. Presentation matters. Dress appropriately for the occasion. Make an effort to look your best. A man putting efforts in how mature, well-dressed, good he looks, is a man who appears attractive, and she also thinks she is special that you placed efforts when meeting her. Step number 5, respect. Treat your date with respect and courtesy. Show interest in their thoughts, feelings, and opinions. Respect her and make sure she is in her feminine energy, where she feels safe and respected. Step number 6, plan ahead. Take the lead in planning the date. Choose activities that you both will enjoy and make the effort to create a memorable experience. Step number 7, be a gentleman. Open doors, offer compliments, and show thoughtfulness in your actions. Being a gentleman never goes out of fashion. A man with etiquettes and manners is always looked as attractive, and such a man stands out. Step number 8, sense of humor. A good sense of humor can go a long way. Don't be afraid to show your playful side and make your date laugh. A man who can lighten the room, lighten the tension, and brighten the mood, is appeared as a leader who can control the environment, and that is attractive. But, a good sense of humor, not a lame one, and not always, just sometimes using it can be effective, else you will appear as a clown, who takes nothing seriously. Step number 9, stay positive. Talking positive and giving her that positive energy in a time she never had. That first meeting shall be her most memorable one. Talk positive and spread positivity with a smile. Step number 10, follow up. After the meeting, text her, call her, how much you enjoyed her presence and appreciate her for her time. That's it for this episode. Remember, if you really like her and meeting her, you better wife her up, make her fall in love with you, impress her, and rather than dating, ask her to marry you. Be serious, be a real man. Till next time, take care.